Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Venmo Debit Card. Not to be confused with Venmo's credit card, the Venmo Debit Card is ideal for those who are already Venmo users and want to do more than just transfer money. This debit card enables users to make purchases both online and in stores. It's quite versatile as long as the store accepts card payments. However, if you're considering using it while traveling abroad, it's not the best choice since it restricts shopping with international retailers. The Venmo Debit Card allows users to access their Venmo balance to pay for goods directly at the point of sale. If your balance isn't sufficient, you can authorize Venmo to pull funds from your linked bank account. Despite its convenience, this card isn't a full replacement for your bank's debit card because you can't fund your account with cash, and check deposits can be costly. Let's explore the pros and cons of the Venmo Debit Card. Among the pros, it offers complimentary cash back at the point of sale, a feature I personally find very appealing. The card also supports automatic reloads, allows for check cashing, and boasts strong customer service. Venmo also offers strong customer service via email or live chat during business hours, and you can deactivate your card 24/7 by calling 855-204-4090. If you're trying to decide whether to get this card, consider your personal preferences, needs, and spending habits. Evaluate how you intend to use the card and whether its features align with your requirements. If everything checks out, then the Venmo Debit Card might be a good fit for you. Making a well-informed decision will ensure you don't regret it in the long run. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. This is your homeboy Josh, and I'll see you in the next video.